PrepLadder has a promise to keep getting better. So, introducing QBank 3.0. It's good, it's great, it's the best. To simply put,
It is as good
as it gets.
it's everything you asked for, and even some things that you didn't. It's clinical, it's integrated, it's next ready. It's a wholesome learning experience, a wholesome practice tool. It's just wholesome. Wanna know why? Well, why not? QBank 3.0 includes active guidance, 80% clinical questions, integration with video lectures, system tags, linked treasures. Well, this is just an overview because we assure you there's so much more in it for you. QBank 3.0 will help you tackle clinical questions with speed and accuracy. As we said, QBank 3.0 is as good as it gets.